Mum, don't. Ali! Ali! Ali, no! Come on, out!
You are in big trouble.
And so are you, Mum.
Maichan is so...
Ali, out! Hey, come on! Ali! Ali!
Are you hiding? Oh, pussy. Maichan is so scary. Let me see.
Mum! Come on, Ali. Outside, come on. Come on, out you go. Ali, out! Mum, don't encourage her to be naughty.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just vacuuming because nobody helps me. And make sure they does that sound clean up.
Ali, no. Sit. Down. Stay. Oh dear. That's my old speaker set, which I gave to him. Punching bag, which we've got nowhere to put it up.
Oh,
I'm still here, Mum.
What?
I'm still here.
Oh my God, Maich is so scary, scary.
You know this is going on YouTube, huh?
Hello.
Mum is a very hard worker, but she's also very naughty.
What? You know, it's so funny. If I clean up my house and I become brave as a naughty.
It's because you encourage Ali to bark at the vacuum cleaner.
No, I'm not.
Did you? Look, you trying to vacuum it.
Oh no, she's just sitting where I want to vacuum.
Sure.
That's a good one. You need a brush. Maich, can you go brush Ali?
Ali, outside, come on.
Go brush your body.
Come on, let's go.
Go brush.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. Come on, let's get you brushed. Come on. Where's your brush, huh? Which one do we use now? Not that one. Because that looks kind of scary, huh? Where's your brush, Ali? I don't have my glasses on, I can't see. Ah, I can't see. Oh, there it is. What one's that? No, that one's for the carpet. We use one for the carpet, that carpet, because it always gets so messy. And it's kind of blunt now, so... Oh, there it is. Here's a good one. Hey, you like this? Huh? I'm gonna change hands. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna get awkward very quickly. What do you think, Ali? Ali? Huh? What do you think? Oh no, you're too close. Huh? You turn this around and we'll say hi. Hello! Oh, look, what's that? That is all puppy fur. Oh, look at this. Oh, gross. And there's more fur all over the place, but I'm not going to pick it all up. I'm too lazy. Don't tell Mum though. Yeah, that'll do. Ugh. Jesus. Oh, that's nice. I've got heaps of fur on me. Hey Mom, can you vacuum me? Can you vacuum me?
Oh my god.
I'm turning into a werewolf. Ali wants it too.
Yeah, Ali losing it. You know what? Better to do that brushing.
Yeah, alright. Do Ali.
Vacuum.
You can do that, but I don't want to chasing the vacuum cleaner making a racket.
You are losing hair. I have to do that. Brush the carpet. I have to brush the carpet.
See, I told you it was used for the carpet.
No, it's... Oh dear.
Ali! Ali! Hey!
Alichan.
Ali, move! Ali! Good girl.
Yeah, that's you.
We're gonna have to get a collar for that carpet, Mum.
Yeah, I know. Woof woof. Carpet says woof woof.
What do you think, Alichan?
Oi!
Ali!
Move.
Up! Ali! Oi! Move! Come on! Come on! Up here! Up! Here we go. Ali!
Now I have to do the carpet, Daddy. Because your hair is all over the place.
I'm terrified of vacuum cleaners.
Hold on. Now, yeah, up.
Ali! Up! Up! Ali! Up! Ali! Stay, you